Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Learn Gujarati. I hope you guys are doing well. So, let's start with our today's session. My dear friends, in today's session, we will learn Gujarati phrases for tourists, and this is the second part of dating session. Let's start with our first sentence. So, the very first sentence is You have a beautiful smile. તમારી સ્માઇલ ખૂબ જ સુંદર છે. I'm repeating. You have a beautiful smile. તમારી સ્માઇલ ખૂબ જ સુંદર છે. Alright? So in this sentence, beautiful is equals sundar. In this sentence, beautiful is equals sundar in Gujarati. The very next sentence is Take care. તારું ધ્યાન રાખજે. Take care. તારું ધ્યાન રાખજે. Alright? This is very simple. Take care is equals તારું ધ્યાન રાખજે in Gujarati. Okay? The very next sentence is I like your style. મને તારી સ્ટાઇલ પસંદ આવી. I'm repeating. I like your style. મને તારી સ્ટાઇલ પસંદ આવી. It's very simple. The very next sentence is You made my day. તે મારો દિવસ ખાસ બનાવી દીધો. You made my day. તે મારો દિવસ ખાસ બનાવી દીધો. Alright, my friends? I'm repeating one more time. You made my day. In Gujarati, we can say તે મારો દિવસ. Day is equals દિવસ. Day is equals દિવસ. તે મારો દિવસ ખાસ બનાવી દીધો. ખાસ means special. You know, ખાસ means special. So, for this sentence, in Gujarati, we can say તે મારો દિવસ ખાસ બનાવી દીધો. Alright? બનાવી દીધો means you made. બનાવી દીધો means you made. Okay? The very next sentence is Just thinking of you. Just thinking of you. બસ તારા જ વિચાર કરું છું. Just thinking of you. બસ તારા જ વિચાર કરું છું. The very next sentence is You are so sweet. તું બહુ મીઠો છે. You are so sweet. તું બહુ મીઠો છે. This is for male. For female, we can say તું બહુ મીઠી છે. You are so sweet. For female, we can say તું બહુ મીઠી છે. For male, તું બહુ મીઠો છે. And for female, we can say તું બહુ મીઠી છે. Alright? I am repeating for you. You are so sweet. તું બહુ મીઠો છે. For male. And for female, તું બહુ મીઠી છે. Alright? The very next sentence is You are special. તું ખાસ છો. You are special. તું ખાસ છો. Alright? તું ખાસ છો. So like how we say in English, you are special. In Gujarati, we can say tu khas cho, like that. The very next sentence is you are the poem I never wrote. So my dear friends, this is something like a poetry. So in Gujarati, we can say તું એ કવિતા છે જે હું ક્યારે લખી શક્યો નથી. I am repeating. You are the poem I never wrote. તું એ કવિતા છે જે હું ક્યારે લખી શક્યો નથી. It's very easy. Let me break this in a two way. You are the poem is equals તું એ કવિતા છે I never wrote. જે હું ક્યારે લખી શક્યો નથી. I never wrote is equals ક્યારે લખી શક્યો નથી. So my dear friends, in Gujarati, when we used such a poetry sentences or phrases, we have to add some expression related words which I have added over here. So don't confuse more. It's very easy. I'm repeating for you one more time. You are the poem. So here I'm trying to say tu એ કવિતા છે. So in this sentence, poem is equals kavita. In this sentence, poem is equals kavita, which I never wrote. જે હું ક્યારે લખી શક્યો નથી. It's very simple. Still, I am repeating for you. You are the poem. તું એ કવિતા છે I never wrote. જે હું ક્યારે લખી શક્યો નથી. Never represents ક્યારે. In this sentence, never represents ક્યારે in Gujarati. So the complete sentence will be તું એ કવિતા છે જે હું ક્યારે લખી શક્યો નથી. Alright? Nathi means no, never. Like that. I hope you guys understanding this poetry. But if you have any doubt, you can reach out to me anytime. Thank you. The very next sentence is you make life better. તું મારા જીવનને સરળ બનાવો છો. You make life better. તું મારા જીવનને સરળ બનાવો છો. So in this sentence, better means સરળ. In this sentence, better means સરળ. You are making my life very easy in that way. So I am repeating. You make life better. તું મારા જીવનને, in this sentence, life is equals જીવન. In this sentence, life is equals જીવન. Okay? So, તું મારા જીવનને સરળ, સરળ means making easy. Making easy. So like in terms of better way. In terms of better way. So you make life better. In Gujarati, we can say tu. Tu means you. Mara jivanane. So making my life. So mara jivanane. Making my life means mara jivanane. Saral means easy. Banavo cho. Alright, I am repeating one more time. You make life better. તું મારા જીવનને સરળ બનાવો છો. The very next sentence is You are all I want. મને ફક્ત તું જ જોઈએ છે. You are all I want. મને ફક્ત તું જ જોઈએ છે. So my dear friends, in this sentence, you are all represents મને ફક્ત તું જ and I want means જોઈએ છે. You are all represents મને ફક્ત તું જ and then જોઈએ છે. It's quite simple. Let me repeat one more time for you. You are all I want. મને ફક્ત તું જ જોઈએ છે. ફક્ત means only and only. મને ફક્ત તું જ જોઈએ છે. So in this sentence, ફક્ત means you and only you I want. In that way. Okay? The very next and last sentence is I trust you. મને તારા પર વિશ્વાસ છે. I'm repeating. I trust you. મને તારા પર વિશ્વાસ છે. So in this sentence, trust is equals વિશ્વાસ in Gujarati. In this sentence, trust is equals વિશ્વાસ in Gujarati. So when we say I trust you in Gujarati, we can say મને તારા પર વિશ્વાસ છે. મને તારા પર વિશ્વાસ છે. Like that. Thank you my dear friends. ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર. I hope you guys learning Gujarati very well. And dear friends, to learn more Gujarati and to get more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, like this video and also share with your friends and family so they can also learn Gujarati. Thank you. We'll see you again. Until then, Jai Sri Krishna.